All right, so in the matter of Tammy Khan versus Mark Khan, file number 2010-34936 DM. Do I have Mark Khan in the courtroom? No. Right. So, Ms. Khan or Ms. Wood. I said this is file number 2010-34936 DM. So Ms. Khan or Ms. Wood, we are here on a friend of the court child support order. States that you're supposed to pay $501 a month in child support. And as of today's date, you have an arrearage in excess of $2,426. The last payment you received was $100 on August 24 of 2023. Let's see. Filed for a support review, but notice of no change was mailed out. So, ma'am, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay child support as ordered?
Yes, I do. I have been
Do you
trying to get,
understand that if you are convicted or plead guilty to failure to pay child support on a first offense, you can be facing up to 45 days in jail, and on a second offense, 90 days in jail.
yes,
All right. Now, ma'am, you do have the right to have an attorney represent you on this. If you can't afford to hire one, we can appoint one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
well, I guess I may need one if I can't explain to you why I haven't paid it.
Well, I mean, you can, but you have to enter a plea before you get to explain why you haven't paid it. So you would either plead guilty to failure to pay child support or not guilty, but I'm offering you an attorney to begin with.
Okay, yes, then I would like.
I mean,
one.
if it's about the fact that you started school, that doesn't matter.
No, that's not it.
Okay.
It's, I
So
have,
do you want an attorney appointed to represent you then?
yes, please.
All right, so I'm going to see if our court-appointed attorney is available this morning. If not, we may have to bring you in on another morning, okay?
Okay, that'd be fine.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a waiting room real quick. All right, so Mr. Carson, I do have Ms. Charters and Andrew Milner in the courtroom. Let's see if he's on the side. Well, I let her in and now she's disappeared. So maybe she'll, oh, there she is.
Okay.
All right, I have, so I have a gentleman on an iPhone. Sir, what's your name, please?
Terrence Hill.
All right, got you here. All right, so Mr. Hill, I'm gonna change your screen name. And
This is
then I'm still
different
doing my
case.
front of the court cases. So as soon as I'm done with those, I will bring you back, okay?
Okay.
You're next after these couple hearings. All right, Miss Charters, can you hear me?
Fuck. I can't.
Just charters.
She can. Can you hear us now? All right.
Yeah.
This is in the matter of Andrew William Milner versus Angel Richella Charters, file number 20-48038 DM. I have David Carson appearing on behalf of Ms. Richella Charters. What's your P number, Mr. Carson?
82330.
All right, so today is, what is today? Today is the date and time scheduled for a parenting time complaint against her for an incident that allegedly occurred on August 4 of 2023. And Mr. Carson, you received the paperwork that Ms. Richella Charters received?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so let's see. So the custody parenting time violation complaint states that Mr. Milner said that they had summertime schedule every other week. Return was expected on August 4 of 2023 at 5 p.m. at Celine McDonald's. And then This was the fifth time I've reached out, including emails to Mr. McFarland, voicemails to our caseworker, and now this is the third letter. I do not drive because of anxiety, was advised not to drive. Okay, so it goes into a bunch of stuff, but
Your Honor, if I can make a brief oral argument.
no, not yet. Okay, so this one wasn't safe. All right, so there are a bunch of them. There's Angela and then Andrew Miller. So there's a bunch of issues. Mr. Carson, do you think this is going to need a hearing, like an evidentiary hearing, take testimony, or?
Well, Your Honor, there actually is an evidentiary hearing on both father and mother's motions to modify custody and parenting time on Friday. If we could possibly add that to the Friday evidentiary hearing, I think that would be good.
All right, Ms. Adams, is that in front of me or the referee?
It's in front of the referee.
Okay, Ms. Charters, do you have any objection to that being added?
No.
Okay, well, Mr. Carson, that makes it easy. So I will, Mr. Anderson, if you could just do an order asking that these issues be addressed on Friday at the front of court referee hearing.
Yep, absolutely.
All right, thank you, Mr. Carson, and good luck on Friday. Thank you.
Thank you. Mm.
That's great.
All right, I have somebody, I can see your forehead, your screen name. Oh, there you are. What's your name, please? Go ahead and unmute yourself.
Oh, I'm sorry, Pamela Kudron.
All right, Ms. Kudron, it'll just be a few minutes, okay? I'm gonna change your screen name though.
Okay, I don't know how to work this quite.
It's okay. Pop in the waiting room. Okay. Miss Adams, do you know if we're gonna be able to get Miss Underwood this morning or? I don't know if you have.
I will try and find out.
All right. If someone who's called in on a telephone, can I ask your name, please?
Grace Marie Ramos Reyes.
Spell your last name for me.
Ramos.
That's what I thought. What time's your hearing?
I don't remember if it's today or tomorrow, but it's at 8:15.
Okay, Miss Adams, do we have Miss Ramos tomorrow at 8:15? Was it a friend of the court hearing, Miss Ramos?
Yeah, it's for child support.
Judge, we do have a paternity hearing tomorrow at 8:15.
So ma'am, can you call back in tomorrow morning at 8:15?
Yes,
Do you need an interpreter?
yes.
Okay, so we will put a request in and see if we can get one by tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Mr. Moog. So, Mr. Anderson, I don't have Mr. Moog down for today. So I'm gonna guess your case was adjourned or dismissed. Can you check Mr. Anderson for that?
Yes, just 1 second.
Hold on, Mr. Moog.
Okay.
So it was adjourned to 11:20.
So, Mr. Moog, I can't call your case because I don't have your case information, but it was adjourned to November 20th, all right?
November 20th at 8.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
In the matter of Amy Roberts versus Kyle Roberts, file number 2014-40419DS. That was adjourned to November 20th at 8 a.m. In the matter of Crystal Shira versus Daniel Shira, file number 2021-48665 DM. That was adjourned to November 27th. Ms. Double, you want to come on up? So, I do not have Austin Doobie, but
Yeah.
so this is in the matter of Faith Star Double versus Austin James Doobie, file number 2022-49172 DS. Ms. Double is present and Mr. Doobie is not. In this case, Mr. Doobie is ordered to pay $600 a month in child support. As of today's date, he has an arrearage in the amount of $8,283. When we were here on September 25th, I ordered him to pay $150 a week and petition for a review hearing. We adjourned the hearing to today. As far as we know, he's now requested a review and he has made no payments. So I'm going to issue a bench warrant for his arrest for failure to appear. And I will set bond in the amount of $2,500 cash. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Sir, what are you here at?
The courtroom two, correct?
Yes, sir.
That I was supposed to appear on the third floor, courtroom two, by 8:30 in the morning.
Okay,
And
come on up here. What's your name?
Stanley Wallace.
Okay, was it a juror contempt?
No, my brother-in-law is filing.
Oh, I see it, at 8:30. I gotcha. Okay. All right, have a seat. Yep, it's not quite 8:30 yet. So, sir, what is your name? So, do you have a case here today?
Yeah.
Same case? Okay, got it. All right. Okay.